Happy's back with the Firebird. We're working on the right rear still. I've got an inner panel that I've burned a few holes in, so I'm going to have to make another patch for that. And we'll get started on that, get that welded in. I just ordered some cavity wax. I've seen other people use this stuff, and it looks like it's a pretty good idea. I've got access ports, and I'm going to be able to get up in there once this is all done to make sure it's fully sealed so it doesn't rust on, in the future. We just want to do this one time and be done with it. But anyway, we're going to get started. I'm going to take you off this tripod and show you where I'm at, show you that patch I'm trying to make, and I've got to get formed and welded into place. And then we'll be able to close this up and put the outer panel on. And then we'll go with the final, be able to put the final quarter panel, inner and outer, on this side. And then move to the other side and fit it as well. And then we'll be able to get in and weld that trunk patch all at once. We want to get all this stuff done, and we can complete the back half of the car, and then we'll move on to something else. Okay, as you can see, I had to cut another patch here because it got thin. I'd blown several holes in it. I got a little carried away with the grinder, and I guess I ground it too thin and then burned holes in it. So I've already started welding this piece in, and I'm going to complete that this morning, and then we'll move on to this outer part and get that done. Then we can get back to what we originally wanted to replace, was the two panels down the side here, the inner and the outer. And then we'll work our way back to the other side and do that outer skin as well. But anyway, that's where we're at, and just watch me work. Okay, you can see I got that panel finally welded in, and I did get some weld-through primer sprayed on it, and I'm getting ready to start the outer panel. I've kind of hammered one out, and I used part of the inner panel that I'm not going to use, which was part of the trunk floor, which it's fine, so I cut that off, and I'm going to use it for right here to fill this in. And we'll get that welded into place next. So just watch me work. Here's that hole puncher. You just put it on and you pull the trigger, and it takes a few times, punches the hole. Better than drilling. It does it a lot quicker. If you have one of these, they really do save you some time for sheet metal work. Okay, we got a rust hole repair. That panel is in and sealed up. We'll move on to the quarter panel. But this may be all we get done this week. We'll try to get the old piece out and get it prepped for next week. There, more spot welds, yeah.